Mamanya na quick infama na memfa Blackstars squad and fan to him. In recent times, yam Blackstars squad ne babon ti am release na homache. Minim say no mudi see hwan so mudi see hwan obe sori no na ebia squad na basa one na ntem dia no why lucky. No watima hu squad na sa babon tinti Ghana. Yes squad e dey ball Nigeria and after Uganda e match ni mu no. No enso watimi aba on the 22nd of March against Nigeria, on the 26th of March against Uganda. Squad na babon tin. Na squad na babon tin no new faces won players mako enum you know mo first time near from Blackstars any amanfo nso akọ out kakra or ma returning into the team and so ho na old faces ayi ni mo da biara da yam Blackstars mu no omo nso ya do omo enso etim wo mu na question na muzam mo say call up we no rebuild call up ne ya na say dada usande dada na to aso commendable say 5 new faces ewum but squad no majority of them players among for GD is they've got little to offer yam Blackstars you see quite anymore but still omo enso edin ewum me sure say what hwe squad ni mu a won bia and all that so me chadan sign we see much of the time but say na squad next CTM Lawrence Atizigi Joseph Walcott Frederick Asari for the first time as and got to goalkeeper no when you call up into yam Blackstars no sans na David Akolugo no Bolivia for nso afre no so meda o mu po mu to abrante no ti se obi make choice so oba ma Ghana anaso oba ma Bolivia no de ye ba de besi bia ye ba to anim platform na so Alidu Seidu Tariq Lamptey Gideon Mensah and Afi Patrick Kozwani Tariq Lamptey mu na make return into your squad no Samson Nabinya Dennis Odoy Daniel Amate Alexander Juku Nathaniel Ajay the first time I hear friend no Blackstars ni Mohamed Kudus and Mohamed Salisu sorry ono and Abana Afi make for this ni Elisha Usu Mohamed Diomandi ya wono Cote d'Ivoire or right to dream graduate and so Ghana for Aton Sadia Freno Abdul Saleh Summit Andrew Ayu Mohamed Kudus Baba Idris na have Edmond Adwomo and here make for this young guys no NS Nyama Osman Bukari Fatawi Shai Kunafe Ibrahim Osman on the first time I hear Freno am Blackstars ni munie and have forward in Jordan Ayu na fi Antoine Semenyo omo enem rantie yetimi aton sada from say Ghana match ayebo against Nigeria and have against or my friend Uganda omo no enso emegina me si akan from am Blackstars no Inaki Williams nim per report you say or injury kakra to aka champion for say omo excuse no Joseph Pencil enso nim report no chere say on za financial ko US afi no sort out the work permit issues near the and so on sort is are new year untimi travel out of the country and here nsemo a no enso atim atodwanto no so de na antimi amama no Thomas Day party afi no free injury aba Arsenal no ko nyahu no ho anu yie nto no enso atim ho but amanfo buta say squad we ni squad they be rebuilding na say den because you rebuild na there are some faces they don't expect to see them in the call up. I'm not going to mention names, but you know the kind of names that Ghanaians don't want to hear. Ghanaians don't want to see in your call-ups. I'm not here to mention names. But one can say, well, say, where call-up winner. Many of the faces Ghana for GD is they've got little to offer to your national team going forward. So, or more Baba then into team boom. Another questions that Ghana for and Ebusa. And but one person obviously, definitely, he will be on the lips of Ghanaians. They are you brothers. Or more and so they have no business in the national team, which of course I don't agree with them. Maybe you can talk of Andrew Dedayu, but for Jordan Ayu or normal bit more of a national team. No, a man for Kasa about a year, Baba Idrisu, a man for Kasa about a year, a branch of an Edmond Ado, and yes, I'm ranting Bebrino, and so on open squad. But I believe that Sankaya rebuilding a year, this is the perfect opportunity presenting itself to do the rebuilding. A friendly game against Nigeria, against Uganda. So you give people chance because Europe for born more than Ghana for. You talk of many players on board more than Ghana for on Babylon national team and on Betimakoyi and so you talk of a branch a friend or Gaston Boache, he is performing. You talk of a branch a friend a force now. These are players on board more than in their respective teams. You give it my formal to be part of your national team, no near who's empire rebuilding. But the squad about Bontini phases near. I'm out for engineer rebuilding a year. Yes, I know my new because me standards are GF for a set year for manager or mopeno. Utuado NBT, but Abia no mo go sa standard him. because I have 5 standards on the Barbontin will be our 15 years working experience, will be a tactician, will be a disciplinarian, this animal, and those things on the Barbontin. So it's a standard, no, the far coach, or to MDT, but a be omugumu. But I mean, issue with my point to run. And yes, no, the man maniaji, because if consistency now, we are. Send your massive quiet, so more be that longer time or the age man. So for that 4 years, 10 months of the man, me okay with that. But call up, rebuilding call up. That 4 years, and I said that close to 5 years, a man no. A rebuilding here. You hear rebuilding. Ghana for here rebuilding. Ghana for want to get the taste of different players or able Europe to come and showcase what they've got for Ghana for. That's the most important thing. Ghana for here say. There are some phases that Ghana for here will be a national team. You can come back as experience in a friendly game. You the experience na day. We are just going to try and play as you do games are relevant. The World Cup qualify, the AFCON qualifies. So this is a friendly game. You try them. You don't give them the chance this time. Time you hear World Cup qualification, you hear AFCON qualification. So that time now my players no the opportunity to play. It's the only issue I'm worried with this squad, because 5 debutants, commendable. Say we be friendly part 5 for first time national. But give widen scope, get players on board or mobile in Europe. Or guest in the boachimo, force them and come. Just widen your scope and then get them on board. A friendly game near Babyball. Friendly game near Babyball. So players need to be why. Nini can't say a free warm. Players need to be why. Nini can't say a free warm. So you see a baby rebuilding now. And coach now, Yakakofano, to what Yakakofana, Mona must wear a talent coach. And got talent coach and qualifies to be coaching and Blackstars no. But Pedia more can say a rebuilding national team no. He needs to be calling top players, no. Sam Kwalana, they've never tasted national team football, no. To give them experience against Nigeria, more against Uganda, more. Then you start World Cup qualifies, you start AFCON qualifies now. They will come in and they won't fumble. That made me believe. No. But with this squad, if you ask me who rebuilding be a what squad we home. The mere fact say you have 5 debutants and then say squad we a rebuilding squad. Or rebuild this squad you know how man for zero rebuild almost squad. Almost a lot of players will fear and all that. We've seen that. To say about a rebuilding now, you just don't go back to calling faces they are part of new man for CM Peno. A lot of them. And so with team man for GD is they have little. They've got little to offer and Blackstars now. Why then do you go out and still call them? They may be no, but my barber church players need and so anti-Myanmar. So and on some kakri free hoba. Or first time please subscribe to the channel. But notification bell so said about everything each and every time once I can I want to watch who they are no and so we definitely we are going to meet again. Till then, my name Benjamin Keko Jemfi.